Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add cleaning solution to your Yeedi M16 Infinity. If you're interested in the M16, the link to it will be in the video description. Also in the description, you'll find other links to our daily vacuum deals with the latest deals, promo codes, and savings for you, so be sure to shop that link. And then we also link to our top picks for robot vacuums, wet dry vacs, and cordless vacuums, so be sure to shop all of those links in the video description and come back to them in the future as well. If you're looking to upgrade your vacuum, please make sure you're saving the most money and checking our daily vacuum deals page. So now on the station itself, we have a removable cover here. We can just gently pop that off. It just pulls out away from the station. That reveals this red solution tank. So this is the tank we're going to use to add our solution. So just pop the cover off. You would take your Yeedi cleaning solution, fill it all the way up to the top, and then just take the lid. The lid only goes on one way, so get that on properly, and then you'll just line it up. This will only go back one way as well into the station. So let me show you that from another angle here. Red solution tank, remove, pop the lid off, pour your solution in. Good, right? And then we'll take this, gently press it back on, and then gently put that right back in there. That's it. That's how you're going to add solution. Very simple and straightforward.